Ever wonder how to get a quick harvest from your garden? Let me introduce you to the magic of bush beans. Bush beans are the unsung heroes of the garden world. They're fast-growing, space-efficient, and super easy to care for. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. First off, bush beans grow in a compact, bushy form that stays around 2 feet tall. No need for support structures or trellises here. They fit perfectly in small gardens, raised beds, or even containers. Versatility at its best. And what's the best part? The harvest. In just 50 to 60 days, you'll be picking fresh, delicious beans. Unlike pole beans that keep producing, bush beans give you one big, bountiful crop, ideal for canning, freezing, or just enjoying fresh. Planting is a breeze. They love full sun and well-drained soil. Just plant the seeds about an inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. Water them regularly, especially when they start to flower, to ensure a healthy crop. So why not give bush beans a try? With their rapid growth and low-maintenance nature, they're a fantastic addition to any garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!